Ngayon naman, lubos-lubosin na natin, kaka-upload lang natin yun sa regarding sa MDAS, ganun pa rin ang gagawin natin, MDAS pa rin tayo. Kasi ito ay nakapost sa ating FB group na Philippine Civil Service Review for All at marami ding nagkakamali pa nito. Subtraction, addition, ganun pa rin. Itong subtraction and addition, they rank equally. Kaya we have to solve them whichever comes first from left going to right. Dito, nauuna ang subtraction. So, unahin natin yung subtraction. 1/2 minus 1/2, any number na i-minus mo sa the same number that is equal to 0. Tapos, ang matitira mo na lang ay 1/2. Positive 1/2, yan na yung sagot. Otherwise, kung gusto nyong, pwede naman siyang mag-add tayo pero wag nyong kalimutan na i-include yung minus sign sa addition dito. So we have negative 1/2 plus 1/2 or pwede mo i-cancel na lang yan siya. So ang natitira pa rin ay positive 1/2. Basahin natin ang ating mga references. Unahin natin yung grade 4 textbook. Which of the answers is correct? 84 minus 25 plus 13 minus 7. Ito kayang si letter A na left going to right. Si letter C na inuna yung addition bago yung subtraction. Ito kayang si letter C na right going to left. Ang nandito to make sure we will all arrive at the same answer. The order of operations was agreed upon. Since there is only addition and subtraction in the number sentence, we work from left to right. Ito ay grade 4 textbook. Thus, the correct answer ay ito daw, letter A, left to right. Now, kapag multiplication and division naman, okay, ito kayong letter A na unahin si multiplication bago yung division, or dito tayo sa left to right or from right going to left. Since there is only multiplication and division in the number sentence, we work from left to right kasi nga they rank equally. Thus the correct answer ay itong letter B. In cases where addition and subtraction is combined with multiplication or division, work from left to right pa rin. Pero unahin natin si multiplication or division first bago yung addition or subtraction. Yan ay grade 4 textbook. Sana napanood nyo yung regarding dito, yung kaka-upload lang natin na MDAS. For more examples, pwede nyo i-search MDAS. Idugtong lang yung Leonalyn para mas madaling ma-sort out ba yung dati na natin na-upload nito. Ito naman ay grade 5 textbook. Dito tayo sa add and subtract in the order they appear. From left to right pa rin. Ito naman ay grade 6, add or subtract. From left to right pa rin. And then, sa grade 7 naman, dito tayo sa number 4, perform all addition and subtraction from left to right. Number 4, perform all addition subtractions from left to right. Ito naman ay study.com na even though A for addition is in PEMDAS before S for subtraction, these two operations also have the same priority. You look for these last two operations from left to right pa rin and complete them in that order. Dito naman sa reviewercivilserviceexam.com, ganun pa rin. Again, these two operations have the same rank, so you should complete these two operations in the order they occur from left to right. So ito yung order of operations, parenthesis, exponent. Sa multiplication and division, pwedeng mauna ang multiplication, pwede yung division, depende sa given. Sa addition and subtraction naman, pwedeng mauna si addition, pwede rin si subtraction. Yan yung left to right. So I hope na gets na kung bakit dito sa simpleng post natin sa ating FB page, sana na gets na kung bakit ang tamang sagot dito ay letter B. Thank you for watching and all. I hope na meron kayong natutunan sa videong ito. Abangan yung mga videos pa natin Kasi marami pa tayong sasagutan, yung mga nag-PM sa atin sa ating FB page. Thank you and God bless.